Hey, what's up, guys? This is going to be a real quick little video, kind of a real world review of this JB Weld PlasticWeld stuff. I've had a real problem with this tank leaking. I've tried, first of all, this is on my old WR450. Just a quick little backstory. I don't think you can get a new tank or an aftermarket tank for these. You have to get one that's for a YZ, which means you have to buy a new seat. I just think that's the stupidest thing ever. So long story short, I've tried to repair this tank several times. There was a crack kind of right along here. I've tried roughing up the plastic and using RTV and a few different things like that. Anyways, long story short, I finally tried out this stuff called JB Weld PlasticWeld, and as you can see, I've put it on very thick. I've done this once and I was just really hoping to be done it forever. It looks disgusting. I mean, I think they even say in the instructions you can sand it down a bit, but I'm just so happy to have it sealed. This has been an ongoing saga for a couple of years. Anyways, though, I'd tried all sorts of different other glues and stuff, and I guess it was just they're not gas or fuel safe, and this stuff seems to be holding very well. So long story short, disgusting patch job, but it's also a disgusting bike, and it just keeps running, so I'm just going to keep on running it. So anyways, quick little update. Give that a try if you're having a problem with cracked plastic fuel tank for a dirt bike.